What's up, everybody? Hope everybody is having an amazing day. Just want to get up on here with a quick video, talk about the market and why it's moving a certain way. A lot of people get scared when they see the red, but you should be excited. And there's some things that I wanted to bring to you guys to understand why the market is moving the way it's moving, why you might see FUD, and why you might see the market move downwards or retrace downwards before we continue up, if we do continue up. So first things first, we are currently under the $1 trillion market cap mark, $500 million under $1 trillion market cap. So we have, since last week, we have moved downwards. And Bitcoin is currently sitting at 21,624, down a little over 7% over the last 7 days. But some reasons behind this is that, if you haven't heard, Bitcoin from the Silk Road and Mt. Gox are on the move. What does this mean? Over 50,000 Bitcoin worth $1.1 billion was transferred over. Furthermore, 9,860 were sent to Coinbase, raising concerns about the coins being sold on the open market. These wallets are directly linked to the former Silk Road darknet marketplace and were seized by law enforcement in November 2021. So literally 2 years ago is when they seized this, and now they're releasing it to exchanges like Coinbase, over 9,860. So obviously we will see that Bitcoin being sold on Coinbase or any other exchanges that it went to, meaning the price of Bitcoin will move downwards. Another reason why we had Silvergate, if you guys didn't hear about Silvergate, they are winding down their operations. So if you don't know what that is, Silvergate Capital is a crypto bank, I guess you would say, a centralized entity, which is why we say stay away from centralized exchanges, centralized banks, centralized entities, because they can just disappear like they are. And then, before that even happened, Coinbase halted payments with Silvergate Bank. So a lot of things are happening with Silvergate Bank, and as well as the Bitcoin hitting the exchange Coinbase. A lot of it is causing this Bitcoin price to move downwards. Now, these news articles are an excuse to make the market move a certain way. And we saw Bitcoin the end of last year to this year move upwards. It went from about 15,000 all the way up to 25,200, right? And within that is about a little over 60% gain, 60% boost. Now, we haven't seen a retracement, right? We've only seen a retracement about, let's see here. We've only seen a retracement from 25 to about current price around 21,000, say 21,500. It's only about 14%. Okay, now if you guys don't see it, there is a huge gap. And when I say gap, it means there's an influx of purchase orders, buying orders right here, and there was no selling pressure. And if you guys don't know, all the market is buying and selling and buying and selling and buying and selling. All right. And when there's a gap, there is a huge influx of orders, whether that's selling orders or buying orders, making price move a certain way very fast. And this can be due to news. This can be due to an extravagant event that happened around the world. This could be happening with someone said something from the government, or the president said something extravagant can make this move happen and make a whale or make a lot of purchase orders come in and make the market move and not come back down into this level. So I think that, the market is influx of buying, selling orders, making the market move up and down. Okay. Now, I think we are going to move into this level and this gap that I would say sometime soon, especially if we break right below the $21,400 range, which, if you guys go down to the daily time frame, is a major level of support right now. If we break down below that, obviously we got to look at this next support level right around $21,700 range, and then we're going to start moving into that gap that I was just telling you guys about on the weekly time frame. So we're gonna between $18,400 range and $20,200 range. I know that's a bigger gap, but we can see the market come back into this level, somewhere in this level, and then obviously we want to see some movement back upwards to create another high above here. Now, something to pay attention to, and this is something that I learned from ICT Trading. If you guys get the chance, please go check him out. He is a great teacher, a great mentor for understanding these trading strategies and understanding not using the RSI and all this extra shit. We don't do that, okay? I don't do that specifically because I learned from him. All that mess doesn't mean anything, okay? The market moves in algorithms. These markets are going to move a certain way every single time. Okay, now shout out to ICT for that and understanding that the markets move a certain way in different algorithms at different times. Obviously, cryptocurrency is a little bit of a difference compared to the foreign exchange markets and the indices and stuff like that. But there's something up here above this resistance level that I think we are going to reach to after we come down into this level that I was talking about between $20,200 and $18,000 range. This level right here, right at $25,300 range, there is a resistance level, meaning there are buying orders. There are a lot of buy stop orders and sell orders sitting above here, meaning the market didn't push above this market. So retail traders, what they do is they like to set buy orders or buy stop orders above this, this resistance level. So when price does move past it, their buy orders, their buy stop orders activate, and then the market, the banks like to reach that liquidity and move the opposite way. Kind of moving like this up, move past this level, these buy orders, these sell orders sitting up here, as well as buy stop orders, and then moving back the other way. Now, I think we are going to reach this side of liquidity, this pool of liquidity sitting up here after we move into this zone down here. Now, one thing to keep in mind of, if we do go below $15,000 range, if we go below that, we could be reaching down lower. Okay, now it's not to scare you, it's just to be prepared for it. Okay, we are never guessing what the market is doing. We are never guessing this is the bottom, this is the top. You're kind of just reacting, and that's what you have to do, especially in this very volatile market. But that's just what I wanted to come to you guys with, just a quick review of what I'm looking at and what to be prepared for while if the market is moving downwards, retracing into that zone, like I said, right here, and then looking to reach that side of liquidity up here, that level of resistance. I think we are going to start moving upwards to that once we reach into that downwards level that I have marked out. But other than that, family, that is all I have for you. If you guys like this, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, turn that notification bell on, because we have a ton of content coming to you guys every single week. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.